This video will show how to add a community box directory to your Rocketspark website. As you will see, this is very easy. For this example, I'm going to use a fictional website of an artisan garment manufacturer who wants to add a page on their website with a directory of retailers that stock their products. This directory is a standard community box directory. So the first thing to do is to go over to the community box dashboard, and in the settings for the directory, click Preview and Embed. Then choose Rocketspark as the hosting service. Next, click Copy. You don't need to know the details of what this code does, simply copy it to the clipboard. Then, go back over to the Rocketspark dashboard. Here, I've gone to the page where I want to add the directory. I want to add the directory below this initial heading. So I add a new block, type code block, and I simply paste. This is the code that was just copied from the community box dashboard. And I click Publish. And there it is. Here's the community box directory on the Rocketspark website with a searchable interactive map, detailed profiles with all kinds of information, and full search facilities and filtering facilities. That's all it took. I hope you've enjoyed this video.